I get asked this question all the time. How much SHIB do I need, Austin, to make 10,000, 100,000, a million, whatever the number may be? So I thought I would do a video with just some very, very simple calculations using a free online calculator I'm going to show you about and going to show you what that number is. So this one is a little different. How to make 100,000 with Shiba Inu. Now, I want to state up front, this video, entertainment purpose only. This is not investing advice. I'm not telling you to go buy or anything like that. Just giving you an illustration of some very, very straightforward math. Also, for SHIB to hit 100,000, for you to make 100,000 with the numbers I'm about to give you, there's a couple things that have to happen. Number one, we've got to reduce the overall supply. That has to happen. Shibarium should help with that. Number two, we need more holders. We need millions and more holders. We should get those in some capacity in the next year or so. Plus, with the Bitcoin halving event, a bull run that's expected, et cetera. And the third thing we need is time. This is not a make 100,000 tomorrow kind of scenario. I'm just going to tell you straight up. This is one of those deals where this is going to take a couple of years to do it when you see the numbers. Okay. So with that said, we are going to jump into this. How to make $100,000 with Shiba Inu. Here is the numbers. Okay. So I took a real simple scenario and I said, basically, if you put $1,000 and you bought $1,000 of Shiba Inu today at this price, that would give you approximately 100 million tokens. So if you have more to put in, like if you put in, $2,000 or 3,000 or whatever that number is, then you could get there faster effectively. Okay. But this is $1,000. Okay. So basically this is putting $1,000 into SHIB. And let me show you what the numbers come into. So if you put $1,000 into SHIB, as I told you, this number is 100 million. It'll give you 100 million tokens. Now, this is a stock profit calculator. Obviously, I'm just using it for crypto, and it's over at goodcalculators.com/stock calculator. You can see it right there. Okay. So I said, hey, if I buy it today at the current price, there it is. And then the sell price, I haven't adjusted yet. By the way, these always have a number in them. I just take these to zero. If you're going to use this particular free online calculator, I just take them to zero. So there's no buy commission, no sell commission. So you can see I don't have any results yet because I haven't changed this number. I haven't changed the sell price. Okay, let me refresh this. Hold on, copy that. Get that first. Okay, so there. So remember, you put $1,000 in. It's going to give you, bought it today. That would give you 100 million Shiba Inu tokens. Here's where we start to see the numbers. Okay, so 100 million tokens. If we delete 1 0, move over. Basically, we go from 4 zeros to 3 zeros. That would give you $10,000. Okay, which by the way, would be a 900% return on your investment. Amazing, 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 amazing. Now, if you happen to have bought $10,000 worth, you would already achieve 100,000. You get my point. But I was trying to look at this like, okay, if you had just a little bit to put in, like just 1,000, okay, then that we'd have to delete 1,000. We'd have to delete 2 zeros. And so here's where I was going to show you. So now if I delete one more zero, you'll see now we're at 103,000. There is how to make 100,000. We have to delete 2 zeros in this example of using $1,000 to buy 100 million. But if you put 5,000 in, you don't have to delete as many zeros. If you put 10,000 in, you don't have to delete as many zeros, and et cetera. Okay. But again, I was trying to keep it very, very straightforward if you only had 1,000 to put in. So that's it. Now remember, go back to what I said at the very beginning of the video. For this to happen, it's time, it's reduction of supply, and it's millions and more holders. All are reasonable if you're looking at it from that standpoint, which by the way, would be an insane return on investment. Shiba Inu is the community meme token. It is the 800-pound gorilla. Yes, I know Dogecoin is bigger in market capitalization. It has no active development right now, nothing going on. And again, I'm a fan of Doge. I own Doge, right? But I look at it from SHIB, active ecosystem development, layer 2 blockchain of their own coming, metaverse coming, things of that nature. A lot of good catalysts out there. Top 15 crypto. So there you go. That's how you can make 100,000 with Shiba Inu. Drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.